How to fix at this time your account is not eligible to use this feature on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to fix at this time your account is not eligible to use this feature. Try again on Instagram. So watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, open Play Store or App Store depending upon your device. Tap search icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Then the search bar at top of the screen. Type in Instagram. If there is any updates of Instagram, tap update button and update it to the latest version. Once you do that, you need to check whether your issue has been resolved or not. If not resolved, go to the app info section of Instagram. For that, tap and hold Instagram app, select the I button. This will help you to access the app info section of Instagram. Select storage uses. Now tap clear cache. Come back to the same app info page and tap force stop to force stop the application. Once you follow this step, simply you need to launch the Instagram app. Tap on profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen and select three line icon at top right corner of the screen. Scroll down to the bottom. Tap help. Now select report a problem. Tap report problem without checking. Then tap include and continue. Here you need to briefly explain the issue. Once you have described your issue, tap the send button at top right corner of the screen and then your report will be submitted. After 24 or 48 hours of time, your issue will be fixed. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.